We're going to look at a version of single leg stretch for runners. So come down onto your foam roller, make sure you're right at the very end of it and your head is supported. And then from here, we're going to come one leg up and the other, find your balance, and we're going to bring one hand up as well. At this point, we're going to extend one leg and point those toes. We're then going to flex the knee, flex the foot, flex the hip, extend the other leg and bring the arm down. Then we're going to change it over. So we've got point and flex, control that wobble, and bring the hand back down again. Point and flex, bring the hand back down again. So we're trying to find this coordination. You should still be able to breathe, although it's a challenge on your abdominals. And your supporting arm is taking a bit of weight, but you're able to find that control and control that rotation. We're going to go 3 more. The last couple, really making sure you're breathing. And then just pause, bring both legs in, hand comes down, feet come down, press yourself all the way back up again, and well done.